Before operating the machine, thoroughly read safety and operation information in the operator's manual. Before replacing the wrap roll, the machine must be in harvest configuration with no module on the handler. The fan and harvest unit switches must be turned off to select daily service functions from the command center display. Press the daily service button on the home screen, followed by the wrap load button to enable the power module tether and wrap load controls at the rear of the RMB. The power module tether button assignments for the wrap load function will be displayed. Use the power module tether button A to raise the wrap hoist to the top of its travel. Then use button D to position the handler so it is level at the back of the machine. Lower the handler access ladder and climb up onto the handler. The rear wrap load switches will become active when the handler access ladder is lowered from the storage position, while the cab controls and the power module tether become inactive. Pull the empty wrap roll trailing edge tail from the wrap mechanism and turn the empty core by hand to wrap up the loose tail end. The core can then be removed and placed in the core holder brackets on the front side of the wrap magazine. Clean dust and lint from both lenses of the wrap separation sensor. Make sure your hands are clear of the area around the hoist and feed rolls. Pull out and down on the wrap hoist toggle switch to lower the wrap hoist until the bottom wrap roll is lowered onto the feed rollers. Pull out and up on the wrap hoist toggle switch to raise the hoist to the top of its travel. The pickup rollers will move into position under the second roll and move it and any rolls above it upward into the magazine. The wrap feed rolls will be disengaged from the roller drive so the wrap roll can be rotated. Remove the tape holding the leading edge to the wrap roll. Pull out 30 to 60 centimeters or 1 to 2 feet of wrap and lay the leading edge forward over the front feed roll. Route the leading edge around the front feed roll and between the front and lower rolls. Pull the leading edge through to the rear until it is evenly distributed across the width of the machine and slack is removed back to the wrap roll. Tuck the leading edge forward, slipping it between the bottom roll and the wrap feed belts. Pull the leading edge completely forward between the wrap feed belts and the RMB belts, removing all slack and pulling the edges outward, so the wrap edges are evenly positioned past the outside wrap feed belt. Make sure your hands are clear of the area around the hoist and feed rolls, and lower the hoist while observing the cylinder pin and decal near the top of the slot on the left side. Lower the hoist until the pin aligns with the decal. Make sure the hoist is not holding the top feed rolls off the lower roll. Press the wrap feed push button switch to engage the RMB belts and wrap roll drive, moving the leading edge of the wrap forward. Continue jogging the switch to move the wrap forward until it is at the locating decal just forward of the front wrap floor crossbar. Make a final check to ensure that the wrap is snugly and evenly distributed across the width of the wrap feed mechanism. If so, the wrap roll is ready for field operation. Climb down from the handler and return the handler access ladder to its storage position. Press the tether C button and raise the handler until it stops. With the hoist positioned as demonstrated, the interlock will prevent the handler from raising fully with the power module tether. Place the machine in harvest mode and return the handler to the raised position with the handler control button on the multifunction lever. The operator can exit the wrap load mode and enter harvest mode by pressing the home screen button, or automatically by engaging the fan and cleaner and header drive switches. The wrap portion counter in the operator display will reset to a full roll count of 24 portions when the wrap load mode is exited after loading a new wrap roll. The portion counter will count down as portions are removed as each module is wrapped. For more detailed information, refer to the operator's manual.